Celsius, Celsius. Celsius means relating to or having a scale for measuring temperature on which the boiling point of water is at 100 degrees and the freezing point of water is at 0 degrees. Change, change.
Change means to become different.
Check, check. Check means to get information by looking at something, asking about something, etc. Cold, cold.
Cold means having a very low temperature.
Degree, degree. A degree is a unit for measuring temperature. Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit means relating to or having a scale for measuring temperature on which the boiling point of water is at 212 degrees above zero and the freezing point is at 32 degrees above zero.
Forecast, forecast. A forecast is a statement about what you think is going to happen in the future. Phone, phone. A phone is a device that is connected to a telephone system and that you use to listen or speak to someone who is somewhere else. Snowy, snowy.
Snowy means having falling snow or covered with snow.
Sunny, sunny. Sunny means having plenty of bright sunlight. Temperature, temperature.
A temperature is a measurement that indicates how hot or cold something is.
Warm, warm. Warm means somewhat hot, not cool or cold. Weather, weather.
Weather is the temperature and other outside conditions, such as rain, cloudiness, etc., at a particular time and place.
Windy, windy. Windy means having a lot of wind. Americans often make sounds, also called interjections, that have many meanings. Interjections can convey different feelings depending on the intonation of the speaker's voice. One example is, "Oh." In the video, you hear Anna say, "Oh," twice. The first time she says "oh" is at the beginning of the video.
Oh, hi everyone!
In this case, oh means that Anna is surprised by something. Notice her voice goes up when she says oh.
Oh, hi everyone!
The second time you hear Anna use oh is at the end of the video when she says,
Oh, I see. Mexico.
In this case, oh means that Anna understands a statement and that she does not like it. Notice that her voice goes down this time.
Oh, I see. Mexico.
Here are two examples. Listen.
Oh, hello.
Now you try it. Make your voice go up. Listen.
Oh, the weather is bad today.
Now, make your voice go down.